Well, the thing is what we're doing is we're identifying a very specific crime here. You know, property crime, there's a wide umbrella. What does that encompass? That's theft. But also actually you could say property crime happens when you have land grabs, but actually there is no crime of land grabbing. It doesn't exist. So what we have is crime at the bottom end of the scale, individual harm. We don't have it actually at the larger scale. And this is what's very important here, is that what's playing out is on such a grand scale, we actually don't have the laws to address that yet. So this is very, very important here. But also what we're doing is we're fundamentally shifting normatives. What we accept as workable or unworkable, what we accept as morally wrong in society. We have a phrase, a legal term, when malum in se becomes malum prohibita. When something is so wrong in and of itself, we prohibit it. And we draw a line in the sand and we say, enough, no more. So it isn't a crime at the moment to cause mass damage and destruction. But it is a crime to steal an apple. So somewhere in this equation, there is a disconnect going on here that we seem to think it's perfectly normal to cause mass damage and destruction, and yet perfectly unacceptable to steal an apple. So this is not about saying, well, just because we still have theft going on, we should get rid of theft laws. No, there's a certain amount of governance that is required within society here. But I argue that that governance also applies at the very top end, where at the moment there is absolutely no accountability in the international criminal system or national criminal system. It's missing law.